Hello and welcome to the Open Awards Provider Handbook. This section will concentrate on curriculum planning and the certification options that we have to offer. At Open Awards, we're committed to flexibility and creativity. With this in mind, we have different types of accreditation to suit different learner needs and outcomes. We offer regulated qualifications, regulated units, badge of excellence, and quality endorsed units. Regulated qualifications. These are approved by Ofqual and listed on the Regulated Qualifications Framework, or the RQF. The RQF is the system for cataloguing all qualifications regulated by Ofqual in England. Qualifications are catalogued based on their size and level. The size refers to the amount of time it is likely to take to complete a qualification, including any assessments, examinations, and self-directed study. The size is expressed in terms of total qualification time, or TQT. We also provide a recommended number of guided learning hours, or GLH. This gives you an indication of the amount of time that the learner should normally be taught or supervised rather than self-study alone. The level of qualifications offered by Open Awards are Entry Level 1, Entry Level 2, Entry Level 3, Level 1, Level 2, Level 3 and Level 4. Our qualifications are referred to as Award, Certificate, Extended Certificate or Diploma. Each will have a defined number of credits and each qualification will be different. Awards are up to 12 credits, certificates between 13 and 36 credits, extended certificates such as our Extended Certificate in Skills for Further Learning and Employment are at 24 credits. Diplomas have a minimum of 37 credits. On average, there are 10 hours allocated to each credit, but this will reduce at the higher levels. Each qualification has its own rules of combination. This is the structure that outlines what combination of units need to be completed to achieve the full qualification. The rules of combination can be found in each qualification guide. Award, certificate, extended certificate and diplomas provide the opportunity for learners to progress across the qualification and/or into higher level study. Regulated units. If required or appropriate, individual qualification units can be offered. As an example, you may only have a learner for a short time and therefore unable to complete a full qualification. Learners who complete an individual unit will receive a certificate of unit credit that they can utilise in the future. Badge of Excellence, a non-regulated, quality-assured option that is used to support high-quality programmes offered by the provider and where learners do not need an Ofqual certificate. Approved programmes are validated for 2 years. Quality endorsed units, a non-regulated option created for bespoke content. Although quality endorsed units have an appearance of regulated units, they cannot be used as part of a regulated qualification. Quality endorsed units are validated for 5 years. To find a qualification to meet the needs of your learners, you can search the Open Awards website, www.openawards.org.uk. From here you can access the qualification guides, rules of combination, a list of the units and the purpose statements for each qualification. When delivering Open Awards regulated qualifications, providers should ensure that the rules of combination are fully adhered to, including the use of mandatory and optional units. The rules of combination provide flexibility whilst ensuring full qualification achievement. The rules of combination specific to the qualifications are outlined in the individual qualification guides. To check whether a qualification is eligible for funding, you will need to check the government website Find a Learning Aim, formerly the Hub. You can package units together to create a bespoke course using either regulated or quality endorsed units. Please note that you cannot create a course with a mixture of regulated and quality endorsed units. It is essential that your learners are aware of the type of unit they are working towards if they are not completing a full qualification. If you're unsure about what type of unit you are delivering, please contact a member of the Open Awards team for advice. If we do not currently have a unit that meets the requirements of your learners, Open Awards can work with you to create a bespoke quality endorsed unit. Please contact the Open Awards team for more information or for any help finding the right unit, qualification or pathway for your learners.